Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Tia Lifarahana Fadila and my student number is 04021282227033. So today I'm going to make a video of me reading and retelling long paragraph. For task 2, I choose to read and retelling passage 5. So let's begin. By the 1920s, in the United States, great changes have been made in daily life by an accumulation of inventions that had been produced in increasing numbers since the Civil War. This technological innovation created what in effect was a social revolution. Improvements in communication served to knit more closely citizens of diverse ethnic and political backgrounds. Rapid printing presses, typesetting devices, and page plate processes made printed matter more widely accessible. The telephone simplified person-to-person communication. The phonograph, the silent motion picture, the radio, and the sound picture for the first time made auditory and visual impact simultaneously possible over the whole country and had the inevitable and perhaps undesirable effect of establishing a trend to national conformity in thought and feeling. One could call this revolution the nationalization of thought and taste. Improvements in transportation made all parts of the country less remote from each other when measured by the time required to go from one place to another. Bicycles and trolleys put the nation on wheels. Then the automobile provided the means for speed and mobility. Now so dear to Americans and brought a demand for better highways. By the 1920s, cargo trucks were beginning to cut into railroad revenues, and let's wonder, the airplane was a fairly common sight. The transport revolution was made possible by the development and perfection of new engines and motors. The internal combustion engine using gasoline or oil could be built in compact power units admirably suited to automobiles, aircrafts, and boats. The use of electricity generated by water power or coal-burning planes simplified the problems of mechanical power for industrial use and made electrical illumination commonplace in cities, indoors and out. Electricity also powered an increasing variety of domestic appliances. And retelling the text of paragraph is, in the 1920s, the United States went through a major social revolution caused by many new inventions. After the Civil War, technology started to change daily life very quickly. In communications, things like fast printing presses and the telephone made it much easier for people to share information and talk to each other. New inventions like the phonograph, radio, and movies also helped create a shared national culture, making people across the country think and feel more alike. At the same time, transportation improved significantly. Bicycle, trolleys, and especially the automobile gave people more freedom to move around. Later, cargo trucks and airplanes became common, making the country feel smaller because travel was so much faster. This was all possible because of better engines and the widespread use of electricity, which powered factories, lit up cities, and eventually made life easier with new home appliances. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching.